Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 17. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin ang chat rules and regulations at ang moderation tools sa Barangay Chat Management module ng BIMS App. Ang purpose ng rules and moderation tools ay to maintain a respectful, safe, and orderly chat environment for all users. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Chat Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Chat screen, makikita natin ang public chat room, logged-in users, message input box, and the chat rules and regulations button. Click Chat Rules and Regulations to view the community rules. The rules remind users to communicate properly inside the chat system. First, respect each other. Treat everyone with kindness and respect. Harassment, threats, and abusive language are not allowed. Second, no spamming. Users should avoid repetitive messages or promotional content. Third, keep it relevant. Conversations should stay related to the topic or barangay concern being discussed. Fourth, use appropriate language. Profanity and offensive language should not be used. Fifth, follow the moderator's guidance. Users should listen to moderators and follow their instructions. These rules are important because the chat system may be used by barangay constituents, officials, and staff for real-time communication, announcements, inquiries, and coordination. Now let us look at the moderation tools. Moderation actions are intended only for authorized users. In this system, barangay officials are pre-authorized to moderate users when necessary. To moderate a user, go to the Logged-in User section. Right-click the target user. A menu will appear showing moderation actions such as kick, ban, and silence. The first action is kick. Kick causes immediate disconnect. The user cannot reconnect until the kick period expires. During the active kick period, the user cannot log in or continue using the chat session. This is useful for temporary control when a user is disrupting the chat. The second action is ban. Ban completely blocks login during the ban period. The user must wait until the ban expires before access is allowed again. This is a stronger action and should be used only when necessary. The third action is silence. Silence allows the user to log in and connect to the chat, but the user cannot send messages during the silence period. This is useful when the user should still be allowed to observe or remain connected but should temporarily stop sending messages. Mahalagang tandaan na moderation tools must be used responsibly. These actions directly affect user access and participation in the chat system. Moderators should only use kick, ban, or silence when there is a valid reason, such as abusive language, spam, harassment, or violation of chat rules. In summary, the chat rules guide proper communication, while the moderation tools allow authorized barangay officials to maintain order. The basic process is simple. Open Barangay Chat Management. Review the chat rules and regulations. Go to Logged-in Users. Right-click the target user, then choose Kick, Ban, or Silence when necessary. With this tutorial, natapos na natin ang detailed how-to tutorials under the Barangay Chat Management module. Sa next how-to tutorials, we will proceed to another BIMS module and workflow. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to use chat rules and moderation tools. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal https://epfcompositesa.com. Tapos, i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.